President Donald Trump has signed an executive order making English the official language of the United States. It means government agencies and organizations that receive federal funding can choose whether they want to offer documents and services in languages other than English. It rescinds a policy that required such bodies to provide language assistance to non-English speakers signed by former President Bill Clinton in 2000. Establishing English as the official language will not only streamline communication but also reinforce shared national values and create a more cohesive and efficient society, the order says. Establishing English as the official. This marks the first time the U.S. has designated an official language at the federal level since the country was founded, almost 250 years ago. It is noted in the order that agencies do not need to change, remove, or stop offering any such assistance they already provide. In welcoming new Americans, a policy of encouraging the learning and adoption of our national language will make the United States a shared home and empower new citizens to achieve the American dream. The order reads, speaking English not only opens doors economically, but it helps newcomers engage in their communities, participate in national traditions, and give back to our society. More than 30 states have designated English as the official language, while Alaska and Hawaii have also given official status to several native languages.